Hello, beautiful viewers. Welcome. Please subscribe our channel. Let's start to our fabulous tutorial on achieving the perfect pink glam makeup look. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to create a stunning and glamorous appearance. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Prep and prime. Before applying any makeup, ensure that your face is clean and moisturized. Use a primer to create a smooth canvas for your makeup, helping it last longer and appear flawless. Step 2. Flawless complexion. Apply your favorite foundation using a beauty sponge or brush. Blend it evenly across your face, covering any imperfections or blemishes. Don't forget to conceal under eye circles or any other areas that need extra coverage. Step 3. Rosy cheeks. For a fresh and youthful look, apply a pink blush to the apples of your cheeks. Smile and gently sweep the blush in upward motions towards your temples, adding a natural flush to your face. Step 4. Mesmerizing eyes. Start by applying a light pink eyeshadow all over your eyelids as a base. Then, use a slightly darker shade of pink to define your crease. Blend the colors together seamlessly for a soft gradient effect. Step 5. Statement lashes. Apply mascara generously to your upper and lower lashes, emphasizing their length and volume. If you desire more drama, consider adding false eyelashes to really make your eyes pop. Step 6. Perfectly arched brows. Use a brow pencil or powder in a shade that matches your natural hair color. Fill in any sparse areas, creating defined and well-groomed brows that frame your face beautifully. Step 7. Luscious lips. Choose a gorgeous pink lipstick or lip gloss that complements your skin tone. Apply it evenly over your lips, ensuring a smooth and flawless finish. For added dimension, consider adding a touch of lip gloss to the center of your lips. Step 8. Finishing touches. To complete your pink glam makeup look, set your face with a setting spray to help your makeup last longer and give it a dewy finish. Gently pat some highlighter on the high points of your face, such as the cheekbones and brow bone, for an extra glow. And voila! You've achieved the perfect pink glam makeup look. Now you're ready to shine and conquer the world with your stunning appearance. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting makeup tutorials like this one. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and embrace your unique beauty. So go out there and rock your pink glam makeup look with confidence. Thanks for watching.